Okay, today we're going to be working on a couple of graphs, all right? So you need to pull out your math page. You need to pull out page 351. On the back will be 352. And we're going to make a graph of this little boy's growth. And we're going to measure him from when he was a baby all the way to when he is a 13-year-old. So we're going to have to color in our graph. You might want to use a crayon for this activity, and you can use different colors if you like. If you look at your worksheet, you can use colors that are similar to what they've already started with. I'm going to use the same color for each because it just makes it easier for me. Okay, so if you notice, our graph is empty and we have to fill it in. So the first column we're going to be filling in is 3-month-old baby boy. A 3-month-old baby boy is about 2 feet. So I need to find 2 on the graph. 2 is right here. So I'm going to color in everything from 2 down, okay? So the 3-month-old baby is 2 feet tall. The 3-year-old is 3 feet tall, so I need to find 3, and I need to color in all the way up to 3, and everything below that. There's my 3-year-old boy, and I'm going to fill in this part of the graph. Sometimes if you use different colors for each column, it makes it a little bit easier to read your graph. Okay, finally, I have a 7-year-old boy, and he is 4 feet tall. So I need to come up here to the 4. I'm going to color 4 blocks to show how tall my 7-year-old is. And last, I'm going to look at, oopsie, the 13-year-old boy, and he is 5 feet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need to color in all the squares of my graph to show the 13-year-old boy is 5 feet tall. Okay, so I've completed my graph, and I can look at it now and I can say, okay, a 2-month-old was 2 feet tall, a 3-year-old was 3 feet tall, a 7-year-old is about 4 feet tall, and the 13-year-old was 5 feet tall. All right, that's all we need to do on this side of the page. So let's flip it over and complete the graph on the back page. Okay, so what I have to do with this is I have to listen for how tall a bamboo grows at 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, and 2 years. Bamboo is the fastest growing plant in the world. So I just want you to color in your graph as I give this description. In 3 months, a bamboo plant will be 5 feet tall. So I need to color in a space for each foot. So I said it will be 5 feet. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I'm just going to do mine like this. You can fill in the whole thing. All right, in 6 months, this bamboo plant will be 12 feet tall. So color in a space for each foot. All right, 12 feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And if I look at this, it's right at my 12. Okay, and I'm going to go right down next to it so I make it a little bit thicker there. Okay. In 1 year, this bamboo plant will be 15 feet tall. So I have to go all the way up to 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Look at how big this guy is going to be. And in 2 years, the bamboo plant will be 20 feet tall. So I can look at my graph over here. I know 20 is the top number, so I know that my graph's going to go all the way to the very top, and I'm going to make that just a little bit thicker, okay? You can color in the square all the way if you would prefer, okay? So this shows me the growth of my bamboo plant. At 3 months, it's 5 feet tall. At 6 months, it's 12 feet tall. In 1 year, it'll be 15 feet tall, and in 2 years, it will be 20 feet tall. Good work. Turn your page over, give yourself a sticker, and you are all done for today.